Hi, my name is Kate. Today on this screencast, I will be showing how to edit some photos using GIMP, which is a free software. So I'm just going to open it up. So today during the screencast, I'm going to show how to impose a person jumping onto a picture of Machu Picchu. So here GIMP is brought up. There we go. Now hopefully you can see the top where it says File, Edit, Select, View Image. So first off, I'm going to open up the image of Machu Picchu. So in GIMP, here we go, File, Open, go to Desktop. Here I have Machu Picchu picture. I'm going to open it up. There we go. So it comes up open there. Now I want to get a picture of a person jumping across. So you can either do this, you're going to open it up as a layer, but first off, you're going to go to Layer, Transparency, and then Add Alpha Channel. So this is your background. So if you want to erase anything on the picture that you impose on top, you'll be able to see the background afterwards. So now I'm going to go to File, Open as Layers, and I want to bring up the picture of the person jumping across the screen. So here I have it open here, and you can see the preview on this side to make sure you have the right picture. So open. There we go. Now I have the person who's as if they're jumping across the screen on top of Machu Picchu. Now I would like to put this background as green and maybe blur it into the mountains a little bit. So I'm going to double click on the bucket fill tool. There we go. Here it has pine the background. There we go. Fill the background. Pattern fill. There we go. And I'm going to pick this one right here. So maple leaves. Just going to exit out. Click that again to make sure that I'm going to press on the person. There we go. Now it filled it up all to green. Now to create a blur, I just want to make it look like the person's actually jumping across the screen. So I'm just going to touch the smudge tool right here. And then you can just go back and forth. As you can see, it smudges into the back just to make it look like they're actually jumping. We can still see some of the pine leaves. So it gets their foot right off the ground. We'll just take a few minutes. There we go. So now you get the idea. You can further smudge it into the background so you can get it all smudged. There we go. Lastly, I'm going to go over here and you can create a text onto the image. So by pressing on A, and then you're just going to go over where you want to make your toolbox. So a nice big box here. And then you can start typing on your keyboard. So I'm going to write, take the leap. Now, as you can see, it's very tiny in the corner. I'm just going to underline it with my cursor, and you can increase the font size just to make it. There we go. That's a little bit big, so I'm just going to make it a tiny bit smaller. There we go. You can also make it bold in italics and also underline. You can also put a strike through if you're sending a message, but I'm going to take that off. Maybe just a little bit bigger. So this is the result of my image. I have somebody jumping across the screen, blurred in, and with the caption, take the leap. This is using GIMP software. There's also a lot of other features that you can use with GIMP. Thank you.